पणजे गोयचे कॅपिटल आशिल्ल्यान हांगा जायते एडवांटेजीस आसात आनी हांगा जायते बरे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर अवेलेबल आसा लोकां खातीर. आनी तातूंतलीच एक अशी फॅसिलिटी जी म्हज्या फाटल्यान आसा तो म्हणजे स्विमींग पूल. हो SCGचो स्विमींग पूल आसा आनी स्विमींग कॉम्प्लेक्स आसा. बेजिकली हांगा 4-5 वेगवेगळे टायपाचे स्विमींग पूल आसा. ल्हान भुरग्यांक पासून ते डायविंग करपा पर्यंत सगळे तरेचे फॅसिलिटीज हांगा अवेलेबल आसा. आनी असो तरेचो हो स्विमींग पूल पणजेकारां खातीर एक बरी फॅसिलिटी आसा, कारण हांगा येवन भुरगे ल्हान पासून व्हडले सुद्दां हांगा शिकपाक शकता स्विमींग. आनी त्या शिवाय आपली इवन प्रोफेशनल भुरगे येवन हांगा ऑलिंपिकाक आनी बाकीच्या नॅशनल गेम्सा खातीर प्रॅक्टीस करपाक शकतात. सो असो तरेचो स्विमींग पूल हालींच हो अपग्रेड केल्लो आसा. आनी हाजी एक गोश्ट म्हणजे हांगा आतां सद्या समर कॅम्प चालू आसात. समर सुटी चालू आसा त्या खातीर समर कॅम्प हांगा चालू आसा सद्या. आनी ल्हान भुरगीं हांगा येवन शेकड्यांनी भुरगीं येवन हांगा सद्याक स्विमींग शिकता. त्या शिवाय जाणट्यांकूय शिकपा खातीर हांगा अशे फॅसिलिटीज आसा. सो असो तरेचो हो एक बरो असो अद्यावत असो हो स्विमींग पूल पणजेकारां खातीर एक बरी फॅसिलिटी आनी तांणी तो यूज करपाक जाय.
सो ही ॲक्टिव्हिटी फाटल्यान चालू आसा ती सर दॅट इज समर वेकेशन ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ गोवा. लर्न टू स्विम क्लासेस. वी हॅव इट एवरी year for children in vacation. We have this learn to swim classes throughout the year for children, for adults, for ladies, gents, mixed throughout the year. But especially in this summer, in these 3 months, April to June, we have only for children because they have holidays and तांची राश खूब आसता. So we have 6 batches for them. We start at morning 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. Magir in the evening 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. So 6 batches are. In each batch we accommodate, because there is solid demand and too much of rush, we accommodate about 25 to 27 children in each batch, because we have to see the quality of water, we have to maintain the hygiene, because a lot of children use the pool and they tend to urinate, and also we have to maintain the water hygiene. So for that also we maintain every day, and we send this water for testing at health department, and we have already pasted the report on our notice board that this water is fit for drinking, this water is fit for potability. That much care we take of maintenance and all, because everything especially our sports minister and our executive director, they are very particular about all this. So anything sports minister to visits here very often. No sports minister must have visited as he visits. And even just yesterday our executive director Geeta madam was there with sports secretary. So everybody is taking a keen interest in it, so that they are worried because of these children, and this because this is a public facility, say we have to give the best. So whatever we require we get from office, and there is no issue of as such anything. Repair work is going on, everything is going on well here. Age group above 6 years, 6 to 15 years as of now. Otherwise then for adults also we have afterwards, but that we will start in June. But that goes on throughout the year. Even the children batches will go out throughout the year. So now in this summer season we will have 3 batches. The first batch we started on 2nd of April and finished it on 21st of April. That was the first batch. Then the second batch, now this current ongoing batch is 23rd April we started. It will get over on 12th May. And then 14th May we will start another batch that will get over on 2nd June. So that will be the summer vacation, 3 slots. So almost 18 batches are there, and in each batch you can say about 150 children. So 150, 300, 400, 450 children we will cater to during this summer vacation batches. And all are happy. No, there is no complaint that nobody falls sick and all. Last batch and all, even this batch and all, parents and all are very happy. There is no complaint that children get sick and all, because we maintain the water, we maintain the quality. Every day we do suction sweeping and all this thing. We treat the water with good chemicals and all these things. And we, like I told you, we send it for testing also, and we get good report. You can see the report which is there on the note, displayed on the notice board. Our instructors are there, swimming instructors are there. So you can see, yeah, they are very senior one. This is Harichand Dias, there is Sanjay Dulapkar, and there is one more, Dayanand Patil. He is taking RCC. So these are our instructors, and very senior ones who they take all these batches and they take all this trouble. each one of them take three batches in the morning and evening together, because there are a lot of children in each batch. They have, both of them have to get two instructors have to get together inside the pool. So this is how we manage, sir. This is what we do for summer cycle. Plus, we have not stopped the pool for the members. We give them their time also. They also come. They also use the pool. Hundreds of members come in the summer season, and they swim in all this Olympic pool, Mama pool, Olympic pool. Then we have other activities also. This is Khelo India Center of Excellence, where elite athletes are being trained here. Then there are RCC, where children are trained for national, state swimmers. Then there are members who come. There are gate pass people who come. So everybody we cater. We don't stop anybody. So these are the three instructors.
So they are come to join the regular classes RCC. मागीर नॅशनल वता मागीर भुरगे जायते भुरगे आमचे ट्रेन केल्ले आमी हांगा गोंयांत आनी हांगा फॅसिलिटी बरें आमचे SSG स्पोर्ट्स ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ गोवा आमचो आल्बर्ट सर इंचार्ज फूल सपोर्ट करता भुरग्यांक कोणी येयले जाल्यार हेल्पफूल करता आमचे अशें ना की कोणाक एक दुखय ना बसून आमी कोण येता जॉइन जाय आनी करा डू युअर बेस्ट आनी गिव युअर रिजल्ट अशें सपोर्टींग बरें हांगा स्पोर्ट्सान अशें आनी अशें कॉम्प्लेक्स तुमकां खंय मेळचो ना इंडियेक सो गूड सपोर्ट आसा हांगा आनी 20 दिसान आमचे लर्न टू स्विम भुरगे ट्रेन जाता अशें हें ना की भुरगे रडटाले पासून आमी ताका बाबा पोता करून ताका शिकून हय खूब भिता भरपूर भिता थोडे पेरंट म्हणटा मातशें पळया सांबाळा आमी सांबाळटा मागीर भुरगे एकदां शिकले की मागीर ते मागीर किंग अशें
100% काय
100%. सम चिल्ड्रन 50 मीटर क्रॉसिंग करता सर आमचे कडेन भुरगे अशें क्रॉस करता मागीर 3 मीटर जंप मारता 1 मीटर जंप मारता थोडे 5 मीटर मारता टेकिंग हय एक वीक जाय तेलो ऑलमोस्ट.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आमकां खंय तरी एक बरी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळ्ळा खंय तरी डायरेक्टर स्पोर्ट्सान जावं SSG स्पोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ गोवा. सो भरपूर भुरगे येता शिकून वयता आनी हांगासर भुरगे शिकता तेच मागीर फुडें RCCक वयता तेच भुरगे चॅम्पियन जाता तेच मेडलाक वयता. सो फर्स्ट वीक मातसो भुरग्यांक टफ वयता तेंकां ब्रिदींग शिकोवपाक ब्रिदींग कंट्रोल शिकोवपाक फ्लोटींग करूंक मागीर तेंकां किकींग आसता ग्लायडींग आसता हो पयलो वीक तेंकां मातसो टफ वयता मागीर स्लो आफ्टर सेकेंड वीक ते रेडी जाता मागीर तांकां हात मारूंक शिकयता हात मारूंक जातकीर मागीर तेंकां ब्रिदींग प्रॅक्टीस दाखयता ब्रिदींग जातकीर तेंचे मागीर आमी डिपान व्हरता तेंचो भंय काडटा फियर काडटा. सो स्लो फियर वयतकीर तेंकां मागीर आमी लॉंग डिस्टन्स दिता स्विमींग 50 मीटर 25 मिटर्स मागीर ब्रिदींग शिकयता ब्रिदींग तितून 50 मीटर कंप्लीट जातकीर स्लो आमी सायड ब्रिदींग दिता सायड ब्रिदींग जातकीर मागीर तेंकां हायटीक व्हरता 1 मिटराचेर 3 मिटराचेर ते हायटीचो भंय काडटा आमी तेंकां अशें करून आमी भुरग्यांक आमी तयार करता. मागीर भुरगे तयार जातकीर थोडे भुरगे फुडें प्रॅक्टीसेक येता रेग्युलर क्लासीक आनी ते मागीर फुडें शायन जाता आमचे मेडलिस्ट जाता आनी थोडे भुरगे मागीर गिव अप करता थोड्यांक मागीर आनी तेंचे थोडे एज्युकेशन आसता ते ना पूण आमी आमचे हितून सामके बरे बेस्ट करता की आनी जे लर्न टू स्विमींगाक जे भुरगे शिकतात तेच फुडें मागीर ते RCCक वयता. सो आमचे क्लासीस स्टार्ट जाता अप टू 5 इयर्स. सो 5 वर्सां कंप्लीट जातकीर आमी घेता. सो त्या म्हणसर आमचो पूल आसता 2.5 आनी 3 पॉयंट. सो तितून ते भुरग्यांची थोडी हायट जायना सो त्या लागून आमी ते आनी थोडे भुरगे कित्याक तेंकां अनुभव नासतना ब्रिदींग कशें करपाचो तो तेन्ना मागीर नाकान उदक पडटा. सो मातशें तेंकां नॉलेज आसा म्हणून आमी 5 वर्सां कंपल्सरी करता. आफ्टर 5 इयर आमी भुरग्यांची एडमिशनां घेता आनी तितून मागीर चलयता. तेज्या मजगतीन मदीं आमकां थोडे स्पेशल भुरगे येता ऑटिस्टीक जाता सो तांकांय घेता पूण आमी कितें सिजनान थोड्यांक घेना कित्याक सिजनान आमचे भुरगे भरपूर आसतात सो त्या फाटीर आमी घेना. मागीर ऑफ सिजन आमी थोडे एक सांजचे एक आमी ऑटिस्टीकाक जावं स्पेशल भुरग्यांक एक बॅच करता तितून येता भुरगे भरपूर येता आनी भुरगे शिकूनय वयता.